Hello English Go-Getter! This is the second video about spelling names in English. Let's see how many you can get right. And before we begin the quiz, let's do a quick review of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now, let's cover the instructions. You will listen, choose the correct answer. Remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. Let's get started.
Okie dokie then.
Question 1. H-E-N-R-Y. H-E-N-R-Y. And the correct answer is letter A, Henry. Question number 2, A-D-A-M. A-D-A-M. And the correct answer is letter C, Adam. Question number 3, N-I-N-A. N-I-N-A. And the correct answer is letter C, Nina. Question 4, E-R-I-C. E-R-I-C. And the correct answer is letter B, Eric. Question 5, L-I-A-M. L-I-A-M. And the correct answer is letter A, Liam. Question 6, A-L-E-X. A-L-E-X. And the correct answer is letter B, Alex. Question 7, J-A-C-K. J-A-C-K. And the correct answer is letter C, Jack. Question 8, P-A-U-L. P-A-U-L. And the correct answer is letter B, Paul. Hey English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. Keep it up. Question 9, R-I-T-A. R-I-T-A. And the correct answer is letter A, Rita. Number 10, N-O-R-A. N-O-R-A. And the correct answer is letter A, Nora. Question 11, I-V-A-N. I-V-A-N. And the correct answer is letter C, Ivan. Question 12, M-A-Y-A. M-A-Y-A. And the correct answer is letter B, Maya. Question 13, O-M-A-R. O-M-A-R. And the correct answer is letter A, Omar. Question 14, L-E-N-A. L-E-N-A. The correct answer is letter B, Lena. Question 15, N-O-E-L. N-O-E-L. Correct answer is letter C, Noel. Question 16, A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R. A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R. And the correct answer is letter A, Alexander. You finished English Go-Getter. Time to celebrate. And how did you do? Leave in the comments below. Let me know what was your score. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.